Monday's precise and important news. Current year's custom revenues surpasses 100 billion Afghanis. The Ministry of Finance said that 100 billion Afghanis have been collected in revenue from the country's custom in the first 11 months of the current fiscal year. Before this, the country's revenue never exceeded 72 billion Afghanis in the full fiscal year. Usurped green land restored in the 11th district, says Kabul municipality. Kabul municipality has restored green lands in a road which was illegally taken by land grabbers in the 11th district of Kabul. Acting Minister of Public Works paid a visit to the Turkish 77 construction company. Acting Minister of Public Works Affairs Al-Haj Mullah Muhammad Isa Sani paid a visit to the Turkish 77 construction company and met with the official of the said company. Torkham Gate closed due to the breach of commitments by Pakistani side. Torkham Commissioner Maulavi Muhammad Siddiq says that the gate is closed to all traffic, transit and commercial vehicles until further notice. He added that the Pakistan side has not fulfilled its promises and the gate was closed based on the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan leaders' instructions and asked the people to refrain from going there. Old Soviet tanks repaired and tested. The Afghan Ministry of Defense engineers have repaired old Soviet-era tanks and tested them in the military corps's firing range. Spokesman of the Department of Information and Culture of Nangarhar denied the baseless reports of the clash between Afghan and Pakistan side. The spokesman said that some biased media outlets reports the Afghan Border Guards clash with Pakistani soldiers in Torkham are baseless. Group spreading fake rumors of transferring citizens to Turkey held. GDI has arrested a group that recently spread false rumors about transfer of citizens abroad for the sake of disturbing the public order, mental security and intellectual instability of the citizens. The arrested suspects Sadullah Dayan and Imran Ahmadzai have confessed to their bad deeds and crimes and have been handed over to judicial organs for further investigation.